Welcome on my YouTube channel. So our today's topic is Down syndrome. Before starting this syndrome, I must say that we should learn 3 things about this syndrome, and those 3 things were: our first is it is due to trisomy of 21 chromosome, and second point, it is the most common chromosomal disorder. And third thing about this syndrome is it is the most common genetic cause of mental retardation. So, as here are three things which we should remember about this syndrome, that is trisomy of 21 chromosome. It is the most common chromosomal disorder and it is the most common genetic cause of mental retardation. So before starting the clinical features, as you all know that our channel name is Tricky MBBS. So here in this syndrome also we are applying one trick, and through that trick we can learn all the clinical features of Down syndrome. So what is the trick of Down syndrome? I must say, what is the problem? AC is the problem. So our trick for this is AC is the problem. AC is the problem. So for Down syndrome, our trick is AC is the problem. So now let's start all the clinical features related to Down syndrome in this trick, that how we can learn it by this trick. So as for A is acute megakaryoblast leukemia or Alzheimer disease. Or atresia, and most common atresia is duodenal atresia. Then for C is congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease. In this also we should learn that most common congenital heart disease is endocardial cushion defect. And what do you mean by endocardial cushion defect? Means atrioventricular septal defect. Endocardial cushion defect means atrioventricular septal defect. So our most common congenital heart disease in Down syndrome is endocardial cushion defect. And then after this, AC is I for intellectual disability. Intellectual disability means have low IQ. And S for Simeon crease. Simeon crease means there is single transverse crease and Sandel gap. Let me show you one photo. As here is our first photo, and for this one. Now simian crease means there is only one transverse line, single transverse crease on hand. S, and sandal gap means that there is big gap between the first and second toe. So S for simian crease and sandal gap. By this photo you can remember it, that there is simian crease and sandal gap in Down syndrome. After is there is problem. P4 AC is the problem. So T for tumor, T for tumors, and most common tumor is acute lymphoblastic leukemia, and in children less than 3 years, most common tumor is acute myeloblastic leukemia. And acute myeloblastic, which one? Acute myeloblastic leukemia M7 is the most common. So here we should remember that in tumor, most common tumor is acute lymphoblastic leukemia, and in children less than 3 years, most common tumor is acute myeloblastic leukemia, which is AML M7. After the is problem. P4 protruding tongue. Why there is protruding tongue in Down syndrome? Due to small mandible. Due to small mandible. P, after P there is in problem PR. R for round face. R for round face. O for open mouth. O for open mouth or open wide fontanelle. Open wide fontanelle. B for brachycephaly. B for brachycephaly or brush filled spots. Brush filled spots means there is white dot in iris. And after B, L for low nasal bridge. In the last, after this trick, I will show you photos and I can tell you what we mean by low nasal bridge. After E, we have PROBLE, E for epicanthal folds. And as we know what we mean by epicanthal fold. Epicanthal fold means there is fold between eye and nose. And E for ear low set, or we can say low set ears. And last, M for Mongolian slant. M for Mongolian slant. So I will show you one photo. So in this photo, as you all see in this photo, that there is protruding tongue and face is round face and open mouth, and there is brush fill means white dots in the iris, white dots in the iris, and there is nasal bridge means the there is nasal bridge and apicanthal folds. Between the iris and the nose there is apicanthal folds, and there is Mongolian slants. In this photo you can easily see it, that the child face is round and protruding tongue, and there are apicanthal folds, as you all see in this. So this is our trick for Down syndrome. And what is the trick? What is the problem? AC is the problem. A for acute megakaryoblast leukemia, A for Alzheimer disease, and A for atresia. So what is the most common atresia in Down syndrome? Our answer will be duodenal atresia. C for congenital heart disease, and most common congenital heart disease is endocardial cushion defect. And I for intellectual disability. S for simian crease and sandal gap. Simian crease means that there is single transverse crease on the hand. And T for tumors. The most common tumor in Down syndrome is ALL, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, and in children less than 3 years the most common tumor is AML. In AML, which one is AML M7? And P for protruding tongue. Due to small mandible, our tongue will be outside. R for round face, O for open mouth, B for brachycephaly and burst-filled spots, L for low nasal bridge, E for apicanthal folds, ear-low set, and M for Mongolian slant. So we should remember this trick, that AC is the problem, and we can learn all the clinical features related to Down syndrome. I hope you all like my video. Thank you.